Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screen once again, and in today's video I am finally doing your homemade DIY deep conditioners, and I have it right here with me. There we go. It's been sitting for about, I think, 30 minutes now, and I'm finally getting the chance to be able to sit down and record. Okay, so I decided to infuse everyone's suggestion. I used Bianca's suggestion, Boikarabelo, Karabo, Kamu, Essay to Life with Buhle, sorry, Buhle. Funny enough, there's this friend of mine, he's Zulu, and he calls me Buhle. Like, that's not my name, it has nothing to do with my name, but that's my name. So my Zulu name is Buhle, just so you know. Not my government, you won't find it on my ID, but it's just there. And I also use J-O-A, I don't know how to say it, J-O-R suggestion. The only reason actually not the only reason, I liked this recipe because it had fenugreek. So we will discuss all of the ingredients later on. I didn't use 2 ingredients because I didn't have them available, which was aloe vera. So I have like you guys' name written down here. I was going to do like a lucky draw, but then I realized that the suggestions are so similar, so I literally used everything. So we're gonna hope and pray that this mixture, that this concoction I decided to come up with today and mix and try on my hair won't fall out. I'm gonna try, because it's during the day, I'm not gonna sleep with it on, so that I can get this video up and ready. I will leave it on for like 5 hours or 6 hours. Okay, between 4 to 5 hours, and then I'm gonna wash it off. But obviously I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, so the only 2 ingredients I didn't use was aloe vera and milk. I don't have normal milk, I have lactose free milk because I'm lactose intolerant. So I didn't know if I added it there it will be the same, so I don't know, honey. So Kamu said I must use coconut milk. I'm not gonna go to the store right now, so I just used what's in the house. And then milk, like I already mentioned, but everything else I used. Okay, everything else I used. I will list the ingredients. They're gonna start like popping up on the screen and stuff like that. So let us get right into today's video. I'm super excited. I know you guys have been waiting on me. I'm here. I am here. So without any further ado, let us cue the montage. So I'm just going to take off my microfiber towel that I got from Sister Flow Naturals. Please check out her Instagram and place your order, okay? I will do a dedicated video on these hair accessories that I'm going to be using, that I have been using. You guys are actually asking me about them. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount onto the rest of my hair. I'm working on washed hair. So my hair has been pre-pooed, it's detangled, I've shampooed it, it's good, you know. That's why we are doing a we're putting on the deep conditioner. I use Fenugreek because Fenugreek is high in protein, because this is a protein treatment. This is not a moisturizing treatment, don't get it twisted. Because Fenugreek actually helps to strengthen your hair, it helps with dandruff, it reduces dandruff. So if you're somebody that also has like a dry scalp and all that kind of stuff, you can use Fenugreek into your hair regimen and you should be good to go. I also decided to use rice water because I wanted my hair to be shinier, and also more than anything to moisturize my hair, and I feel like rice water does that for me. Obviously I use other ingredients that will help, such as honey, you know, just to promote that shine, that health, that moisture, that softness. And I absolutely loved it. With time, rice water can grow your hair, all right, but don't be, first do research and then, you know. So I'm going to just, you know, I always double cap. I'm going to wear another bonnet on top of this one, even though I didn't show it in the video. Again, I got this shower cap. It's a reversible shower cap situation, and again, I got it from Sister Flow Naturals. I loved how my hair felt, okay, as I was checking out my hair after 8 hours. So it was like plus minus 8 hours with the conditioner on during the day, so I was busy, you know, running errands, all that kind of stuff. And this is how my hair turned out. It was so soft, it was amazing. I was actually very happy. The fact that it elongated my hair, that for me is a sign that this is a good deep conditioner. If conditioners don't weigh your hair down, like, you know, okay, I'm kidding, some don't, but this one specifically I loved. So we're just gonna move on to rinsing my hair with some warm water. And then I got the shock of my life, because in fact at this point I was still not shocked. I was like, okay, no man, it's just granules, they will get out, you know, they will, I'll be able to wash them out. So I was like, strategy number 2 is to section my hair and rinse it in sections. So that's exactly what I did, you know, rinse it in sections. This process took about 20 minutes, okay, 20 minutes just to rinse. At this point I needed to, like, my water bill probably like increased or some shit, but this is what we got, you know, this is what we got. And I was still upset. Okay, not upset, I was just still shocked because I wasted so much water and the granules are still stuck in my hair. Alrighty, let's see. Y'all saw what happened to me as I was washing my hair, right? I'm upset, and I figured that it's actually the fenugreek seeds that I put in there. However, the conditioner itself was like, I mean, I know I look like Vegeta and like Goku right now, but it's okay. Oh man. So my hair is coming out and there's like these white flakes that's stuck in it. This just shows you that natural hair, they don't call it natural hair journey for no reason. You know what I mean? Because look at the mess I'm dealing with. Now I'm going to, I mean, I spent freaking 20 minutes trying to rinse my hair. I'm gonna go hop in the shower because I think maybe if I stand under the shower, the seeds and the little granules will get out of my hair. If it doesn't if it doesn't, that's okay too, you know. It's part of life. Eventually with time it will like freaking go out, but this is what I'm dealing with, guys. This is what I'm dealing with. I don't know, these are the granules that I have to go rinse off. You see them right over there? That's what's stuck in my hair. And besides that, let's look on the bright side because I'm an optimistic. Okay, look at this. I'm an optimistic. No, I'm an optimist. There we go. On the bright side, my hair is very soft, so I'd like to thank you and you who submitted your homemade deep conditioners. I know it was only one person that submitted something that had fenugreek, so I was pretty excited because I love fenugreek, but it's okay. I think I was just not supposed to throw them in the blender. I should have just used the fermented water like my intuition told me, and I was just like, nah, let's just throw in everything. I was channeling in my inner scientist, and I thought it would be a great idea just to like weigh everything in the blender just so I can please everyone, you know, because I don't want y'all to come back and be like, yeah, you didn't pick mine, so I picked everyone's, you know. But it's okay. I think these will go out. I'm not the first person that has ever had a mess on their hair like this. I'm 100% sure that it will come out. It's not that big of a deal. It's okay, you know. That's why they call it a natural hair journey. So guys, obviously I don't think I should state the obvious. If you're gonna try this, try it without the fenugreek seeds, but use the fenugreek water, because not only did this deep conditioner like elongate my hair, y'all saw that, it defined my curls, and then my hair is actually soft. Like, besides just overlook the other drama that's happening on my hair is actually quite soft, and I'm happy. I'm actually quite happy with the results. And it didn't, I don't know yet, but I don't think my hair is tangled. So I'm gonna go shower and then just try to get rid of this mess, y'all. Like, look, what was I thinking? What a mess. Okay, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoy the rest of your day, night. On my side, it is 10:30. I started recording this video at 9 in the morning, so today was wash day for me, and I'm only finishing off now because I pre-pooed the previous day overnight, and now I did all of this. So I'm gonna go shower. It's been a long day. I think it's actually 2:11, if not 10:30, because I just went to go make some food because I'm hungry. I've been editing the whole day. I'm hungry and I have to go edit this again. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.